Are you ready to make something that will transform your soups and salads into something completely irresistible? Because today we are making homemade croutons, and they are a major game changer. Your soup, salads, and stews will never be the same, and with only 3 ingredients in less than 10 minutes, once you make these homemade croutons, there's no going back. Let me show you how easy it is. Okay, so again, we have a recipe that's just 3 ingredients. It takes under 10 minutes to make. And I gotta tell you, when it comes to impressing your friends and family, it couldn't be easier. I make these all the time, and I take them to my Pampered Chef parties. And when the guests find out that they are homemade, they're just blown away. I think that people are under the impression that these take a long time, or maybe they're tricky to make, but really they are so easy. Now, I'm gonna be making these in an air fryer, and I'm gonna do that for 2 reasons. Number 1, it really produces the best results. And number 2, it just makes it really quick. So if you don't have an air fryer, you can do it in the oven. You'll set it to 350 degrees and just cook them until they're golden brown. I do think it's a little bit harder, in the oven, because once you cut these into little squares, you have to keep turning them over to make sure everything is evenly browned. So we're just going to start with some bread, and you can use any kind of bread you like. I think this is a great way to use up leftover bread. So if you have those ends of the bread that nobody likes to eat, that's what you can use. And I have also used, just like leftover hamburger buns, hot dog buns, whatever you have on hand that you want to use up. And I'm probably going to be the only one eating these. I'm actually using a rye bread here, and I'm the only one in the house that likes rye bread, which is good because sometimes we fight over these, so I won't have to fight anybody for my share. So we're just coating these with some butter. We kind of want to make sure they're evenly coated. And you can make as many of these as you like. I'm just doing a small little batch. Like I said, this is rye bread, so I'm about the only one that likes it here. But you can use white or whatever you have on hand. And we're just going to cut these into little squares. And then, once I've got it all cut into little squares, I'm going to grab my basket from my air fryer. I'm going to toss them in here. See if you guys can see there. So I'm just tossing them in the air fryer in the basket. And then I have got some seasoned Parmesan cheese. So I got this at a local spice shop. If you don't have one next to you, you can always order it off Amazon, or you can even make it yourself. It really is just Parmesan cheese and garlic, salt, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. So just kind of toss them around, make sure they're all evenly coated. And then we're going to go ahead and pop this in our air fryer. I'm going to set this to 350, and then I'm going to set my timer for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm just going to shake that basket a little bit, set the timer for another 3 minutes, and we'll be ready to go. All right, our timer just went off for the second time, so that is a total of 6 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and pull them out of the air fryer. We're going to toss them onto our cutting board and see what we have. Can you hear how crunchy they are? Look at that beautiful golden brown. Of course, we have to taste one. Crunchy, salty, garlicky, perfect. And you know what? It's still early in the day, so I haven't made my salad for dinner yet. Let's hope these make it that long. Because these make a really good snack also. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell. I will see you next time. Bye.